Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll talk about one of the most powerful plugin, Notable, which is available on ChatGPT. With this plugin, you can create graphs, chart, and get all important information from CSV file or any data source by simply giving instruction to ChatGPT. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. The first thing which we are going to do is we are going to go and install a plugin. So that will be our Notable plugin. It is a part of popular plugin. Just go to popular section and click on install. If you install on this, it will ask you for login if you are the first time user. Because I have already logged in, it is doing my auth call and it is directly bypassing it. Okay. And it has just went ahead and enabled this plugin for me. So this is the first thing which you need to do. Next thing which we have to do is you have to go to app.notable.io and you need to log in using your credential. Once you logged in, you can just go ahead and create a project here. So consider that I will create here tube demo, and this will be under this space, and just go ahead and create it. If you want, you can clone it as well, but for our use, we'll just use this. Once you create any project, you will find one notebook created by default. So consider that we want to analyze any kind of data, and that can be database or CSV file. So for our example, we will go to this datablist.com where you can find a sample data CSV file. So let's go ahead and click on this people100.csv. You'll find that in this you have index, user ID, first name, last name, sex, email, phone, date of birth, job title. So this is a data which we'll be using it. So you can just go ahead and save this file on your desktop, and we will go ahead and upload this file. Next, what we are going to do is we will just go ahead and upload this file from our computer. So we'll go ahead and use this people.csv file. Once this is uploaded, we can hide this. Once you have uploaded the file, let's go ahead and see what is there as a part of this file. So you'll see here, it is able to represent all this data over here, that we have index, user ID, first name, last name, and other details. So consider you want to get some important information out of this and plot a graph. So how you can do this? So you can use this plugin on ChatGPT and you can create graphs very easy. Let me show you how you can do that. The first thing which we are going to do is we will be using GPT-4. We will use Notable, and the first instruction which we have to give is please use this as my default project and provide the project name. And this project name you can get it from the browser window from here. Okay, let's go ahead and click enter, and you'll find an information that it will say that I have set this as a default project. And let's see. So it is started using Notable plugin. You can see that it has set this as a default project. Let's go ahead and start asking questions. So the first instruction I'm going to give is find all people whose first name start with capital A or small a. Let's go ahead and click enter. So you'll find that here it is asking that which data source we are talking about. So let's give the answer. Please use people.csv and hit enter. So it will start using Notable and give us the details. Let's have a look at the response here. It has used Notable plugin and it has found that there are total 4 user whose name start with either capital A or small a, and it has given details over here. And if you click here, that it has given the notebook details as well for us. So it will create a file for you in this your project where the details will be given over here. So import pandas as PD, and then it has read the CSV file and it has created a complete Python code for us, which will provide us the details over here. Okay, so that's great. Let's ask another question. This time I want to create a pie chart showing the distribution of sex in the dataset. So you can see here, it has gone to the CSV file and it has extracted complete data from there. And it is giving that, there are total 53% of female and 47% of male in the data set, right? So that's awesome, right? Let's go to this and you'll find that you have this code will be updated in this name query again. And it has used this matplot, and it has taken all the data and which is representing the details over here. Okay, let's go ahead and ask another question. So this time I want to extract the domain of email after at and analyze the most common email domains. Okay, so let's have a look here. It has gone there and it has found that there are example.org, there are 39 occurrence, example.net, there are 35 occurrence, and example.com, there are 26 occurrence of that. So that's great. And again, as I said, everything which we do here will be updated as a part of the code. So we don't have to worry about. We can go and see that we have this over here, and we can see the results over here as well. So let's create another graph. This time I want to create a bar chart based on the month, so extract month from date of birth and create bar chart showing the number of people born in each month. So let's go ahead and try that one. Let's have a look at the result here. So it has created a wonderful bar chart for us where we can see the number of people in y-axis and month in x-axis, where we have results. January we have around 7, February we have 5, and so on, right? So that's how you can use this plugin. This is one of the most powerful plugin which I have come across, and I really wanted to share with you guys. Imagine that you have a big data set and you want to get an insight from that, create a bar chart or any information. You just need to write the instructions notable and upload the data in notable, and you'll be able to do the task within a fraction of second, right? So that's amazing, guys. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.